All right, let's get this bad boy going. Can everybody see me? Can you see me in the group? If you can hear me, let me know. Let me know if you can see me and hear me. If you can see me and hear me, type in the chat so I know everybody can see me on this live, please. If you can see me and hear me, type in the chat, please. Let me know that you can hear me. This is the first time I've gone live this way. I want to make sure everybody is seeing it. I guess that's a yes, Mike. Can you hear me okay? Perfect. So I have been waiting. I've been working on this project. Excuse this camera. I'm not used to using it. I've been working on this project for a really long time in the background, and I am proud to announce that we now have our own VIP luxury plastic surgeon out of Mexico. I've been working with Dr. Aldo for quite a while now and making arrangements for, first of all, not only to help myself because my implants were recalled and I have to have them removed this year. I've been very sick. But there's over 500,000 women in Canada and the United States that they have had their implants recalled. So, I really wanted to be able to find a surgeon that would be able to assist me in helping all of these amazing women. But not only that, we have our especially I've made arrangements for Mr. Dr. Aldo, our in-house plastic surgeon, now to not only do Facebook Zoom calls with everybody in the group who wants to have a consultation before they book a procedure to get all of their questions answered. He's going to spend some time one-on-one with you. He's created a specific special price list that is just for us. And for all of our friends and family. So I'm going to be leaving hopefully in February to be going down there. I've been sick for over a year and I'm just really looking forward to making some changes in my health. I have a bunch of other ladies that have stressed to me that they want to get certain things done. We do also have a, coming down the road, we'll have a nose doctor as well as a dental available as well. And I wanted to see, can you guys see my screen that I'm sharing, or is that not working here? I want to share my screen so I can show you the website, but I don't know if I can do that if I'm already live. I don't think I can share it. Okay. So okay, there we go. So I have typed in the comments the website. You are welcome to go and click around and get to know the site. When you click to book a consultation, a free consultation with Dr. Aldo, he is going to set up a Zoom call so you can personally speak with him one-on-one. Once you click and set up an appointment, you will be able to see all the price lists that are available as well. For me to have my surgery here and to have my implants removed, it's $15,000. A lot of women, especially right now during COVID, cannot afford to get the necessary surgeries that they need to have done. So I've made arrangements with Dr. Aldo for a special pricing just for us. Just for all of these people, all of the women that are part of the breast implant illness group, including everybody that is part of the beauty squad. I'm going to be going down with a few women in the middle of February. So if anybody does decide to book, we can make an arrangement so we're all down there at the same time and supporting and helping each other as well. But I'm really, really excited because, I've been on Zoom calls. Even on Christmas Eve, I was on a Zoom call with the doctor and the anesthesiologist. And, for them to spend one-on-one time with me, to be able to give back and be able to help all of these women that are suffering and need these surgeries done, that they can't afford them right now. This was kind of my way of not only giving back to the community, but also giving back to us. I know there's a bunch of people in the group that have been asking me if we're going to have Botox and we're going to have fillers and all that different type of stuff. That's going to be launching this week. So we will be planning, setting the schedule and everything in Vancouver, where you can actually book your appointments and do a consultation with those doctors as well if you want to have any plastic surgery or any fillers and Botox done. That will be done here in Vancouver. But if you would like to get anything else done, any other type of work, that is going to be done in Mexico. Dr. Aldo has been in the plastic surgery field for over 20 years. He works with a number of different doctors in Mexico. He sits on the board with all of the different doctors and plastic surgeons in Mexico. So we have different locations as well, other than Cozumel, which is going to be the main hub where we will be going. They have a private villa that they have for us to stay at. Anybody that needs to go down a few days early to have your blood work and things done. I know right now the medical system here in Canada is quite jammed up, but we do have everything available for you. There will be, you can go down a few days early and spend some time on the beach and, get your blood work and everything done that needs to get done prior to your surgery. And you can also, we also have a COVID test arranged after your surgery when you're ready to fly home. We have the COVID test, which is arranged as part of your package with the surgery, okay? So there's no additional charge for that. If you do want to go down, if you do want to book an appointment, you can definitely do that. Dr. Aldo is available to work with us 24/7. Book your appointment, book your consultation, get to know the doctor like I have. He's phenomenal. I'm so excited to go down there. I want to leave right now, but I want to make sure that we launch our other website first before I go, because I'm going to need a little bit of a rest during that time. And if anybody has any questions, please feel free to type them in the chat. Again, I'm not a medical physician or anything like that. So if you do have any technical questions, Dr. Aldo is available and will be available. If you have any questions, you can book your free consultation and reach out to him privately. Everything that you do with the doctor is 100% confidential. I will never know anything of what you discuss with him, but I'm very, very excited. I've been working on this for about 2 to 3 months with my team in the background, and I'm really excited to go and tour the facility. And I have a little video that I'm going to be posting today as well. I'll post it in the comments. I don't know if I can post it in the comments on the live, but I'll post it in the group as well, so you can see the place where you'll be staying when you go down to get your surgeries done. And who doesn't need a vacation for a week right now in Mexico? I know I could for sure. I'd probably be down there for like a month after this. But just keep in mind that if you have any questions or any concerns, Dr. Aldo is absolutely amazing. He's been doing this for a very long time. He's completely made me feel comfortable. And not only that, but I've built a relationship with him and his team as well. So if you guys have any questions, or if you want to book a consultation with Dr. Aldo, he is available. So in the description of this video, I have put the website link as well. So please feel free to share it. If you know anybody that's looking to get anything done, they can always book with him and have a consultation with him as well. And I'm just really excited. I'm really, really excited to be able to meet a doctor of this caliber that would give me the time of day even on Christmas Eve, for me to be able to do a live Zoom call with him and ask him all the necessary questions that I needed to ask. And he's very straightforward. He's very upfront. He doesn't beat around the bush. He really just wants to take care of us. And not only that, but I've worked out a deal so it's a quarter of the cost of what you would pay here to have your surgeries done. Okay, so not only do you get to go down to Mexico, actually it's in Cozumel, so it's in the Caribbean Ocean of the Mexico Peninsula, and it's absolutely just gorgeous. So I'm looking to see if anybody is interested in going down. It would be nice if we could go down with a few friends so we can all be down there together and heal together and drink some margaritas together. So if there's anybody that's watching this that is in need of surgery or would like to book a surgery, we can choose and pick them all together and go down at the same time. But I'm going to be leaving probably around Valentine's Day or just shortly after. So if you have any questions, then reach out to me personally or schedule the Zoom call with Dr. Aldo, okay? And I will share the video right now as well of the facility of where you'll be staying. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I've been waiting so patiently to like not let the cat out of the bag on this, because this is something that was missing when it comes to the beauty squad, and I wanted to make sure that we only have the best of the best for the beauty squad, okay? So I love you guys all. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I will post the video right now. Bye, guys.